Scheveningen apologies for calling it that way, but geographically it is, right? And what you can do, it's a 3D model, and you can start planning. You can try a windmill, for example. It calculates the effects of the windmill. You can have a dialogue with the inhabitants of the city on the impact of the windmill. Or we could have an apartment building. This is actually an initiative of a project developer. He wants to build a parking garage on the boulevard. He wants to make money with it, and he can upload its plan, its BIM model, and if the attributes are right, which you can as a government request to fill in the attributes, it calculates the effects. And basically what you see here is several information layers on the property rights, on the noise overlay, livability, and indicators where it gives feedback on your policy goals of the city. So for example, as the city, you also aim for certain parking spaces in the city, because near the beach, especially if it's nice weather, people come in, they need to park somewhere. One of the issues for the project developer is when he comes to the government, there are all these different departments. And like you said, you have different departments, and they're individually going to check whether due to their policies it is right. And that gives frustration for the project developer, because once he turns it in, maybe 3 departments say great plan, 5 say it's not a great plan. On his costs, he makes an adjustment to the plan. A few months later, 5 departments say great plan, 3 say not a great plan. This is an actual situation where the project developer took him 5 years going through all these departments. And what you see here is a certain dashboard where, first of all, you have the information of the different departments together, and then you have the indicators which are set by the stakeholders, and then you can directly judge whether the plan is correct or not. And that's the ambition of the Environmental Impact Act, where you have an integrated view where all data comes together, and there's one frontal page where, as a citizen or a project developer, you can load in your plan, and it checks all the different aspects which you have to take into account. There's way more to say about this, also the indicators. One key of this is it gives an overview of the information. So earlier it was mentioned that we have all